Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the paper presentation of English. This video will be useful for BCom, BSc, BBA, any stream. If you are pursuing under Usmania University semester 1, this video will be more and more useful to you all students. Okay, in this video how you should prepare for the English examination to score O grade, not to score passing marks. Everyone can pass English mark, that is not a big thing, but to score whole grade, how you need to present your answers in the answer booklet, what are the summaries you need to prepare, or what are the grammar topics you need to prepare, everything we will discuss in this video. Okay, so first we will discuss about the syllabus which you are having in your content. Syllabus content we will discuss now. How many units you are having, everything we will discuss now. Okay, so students, in unit number 1 you will have these topics. In the bazaars of Hyderabad, this is the poem lesson. The eyes are not here, this is another summary. Prepare these two lessons summary, then you can attempt part questions which consisting of 12 marks. So this is an important questions. English means what you need to do, there is not at all having any important questions ma. Just you need to prepare the summaries of the lessons as well as the textbook grammar. So this is enough. But whatever the learning, whatever the things you are learning, how you are presenting that answers in the answers booklet is important. Okay, so bazaars of Hyderabad, eyes are not here. These two lessons are very much important. Prepare these two lessons summaries, not question answers, just summaries. Okay, word roots, nouns will come for part A. Part A bits. This is word roots and nouns are part A bits. So this is also another important question from unit number 1. How you will get your question paper? In part B, 5 questions they will ask. 5 or 4 questions they will 5 questions they will ask. So in unit number 1, in the bazaars of the Hyderabad, the eyes are not here. Summaries and word roots, nouns. This is the part B. So in unit number 2, what are the lessons you are having, students? In unit number 2, if lesson you are having and on saying please, this is the 2 lessons you are having. Prefix and suffix pronouns will come from part A bits. Okay, part A bits. Giving instructions and seeking clarification, interpretational skills. Interpretational skills and giving instructions and seeking clarification will come for long question only. Okay, the third unit which you are having is you are having and adjectives, asking for and giving options, motivation. These are all things you are having. Just prepare summaries. After preparing summaries and textbook grammar, the main role is why you are presenting that answers in the answer paper. In important questions video, I have given the important questions of the English subject. Try to watch that. Here I will not at all discuss any important questions video because previously I have already discussed Noma. So try to watch for the important questions. So after preparing the summaries, after preparing the textbook summaries or whatever the summaries you are having, how you should present that answers in the answers booklet is a important thing. How you will get your booklet? Single rule booklet you will get ma, like this you will get. Okay, so in this how you should present your answers to score good marks or to score full marks in this subject. Okay, so this is your question paper booklet, question paper answer booklet. Okay, here you should draw one line neatly. If you are attempting part B, part B, write like this. Here you should mention the question numbers. As yours is a digital correction, use black pen only. Some students are asking whether we should use blue pen or not. You can use blue pen, but compared to black pen gives more clear information about in the booklet. Whatever you have wrote in the booklet, that will show you clearly if you use black pen. Okay, so question number 9 you are attempting. In 9 options are there. 9A is there, 9B is there. Whether you are attempting 9A or 9B. 9A, I think so. Here you should write 9A in brackets. For example, in the bazaars of Hyderabad, you are writing a Summary. How you should mention? Mention the lesson name here. In the bazaars of Hyderabad. Who was the author of this lesson? Sarojini Naidu. Write like this. Sarojini Naidu, and try to write the answers in a paragraph. You should change the paragraph after 5 to 6 sentences or 5 to 6, 7, 8 lines. Okay. In first paragraph, you should mention about the author, who is Sarojini Naidu, where she is born, from where she has completed her graduation or the educational qualification, what are her rewards and achievements, everything you should mention. And in second paragraph, you should mention about the bazaars of Hyderabad. That lesson you need to mention in second paragraph. In third paragraph, you should mention the highlight one. If in the question, if they ask means in the bazaars of Hyderabad lesson, what is the moral of the story? You should mention that, you should highlight the sentence in the third paragraph. And the last fourth paragraph, you need to conclude the answer. So for 12 marks, side by side, three sides must and should you should write to score full marks. 3 by 3 sides, this is one side, back side and another side, three sides you need to compulsory you should write. Okay, so this is the presentation. If you are presenting part A, okay, if you are presenting part A, in part A first bit you are presenting. Okay, so in every bit, so you will have the internal choice. Like this first bit they will ask A B C D. Okay, first bit you are attempting, first question number you should mention here. Some students, what they will do here, only they will write A B C D like this, they will write. You should not write like this. Okay, in this column only question numbers you need to put down. Okay, so here you should write A B C D. In A, for example, A answer was there by 2. Over. Give one line and start second question. Second question, A is the, B is so. Like this you need to present it. Okay, so you need to do, you should not mess up all the answers in the answer booklet, because in other subject what they will see, your content they will see, but especially in English subject what they will see, how students are maintaining their answers in the answer booklet, how students are presenting their answers in the answer booklet. This is important. They will show your handwriting. Some students will do here, they will strike off. You should not do like that. By looking at your paper, this is highlighting. Okay, the remaining answer is the correct only, but I will get a bad impression on your paper. So that's why if the spelling is wrong, what you will do, just bracket like this and try to make a into mark. That's it. Okay, as you are a first semester students, that's why I'm saying clearly, one by one doubt I'm saying clearly. So in upcoming semesters you will easily get to know how the question paper will be, how your good booklet will be, everything we will get to know. Okay, so don't worry about the English paper presentation. English is an easy subject, everyone can pass without any important questions or without any this. But scoring O grade or scoring A plus is important, is critical. Many of the students will pass in English subject, but they will score O grade. No, they won't score O grade. But what they will see, what you should maintain, your handwriting. First thing is your handwriting, and mentioning the like this on order wise, that is the second thing. How you are presenting your answers. Okay, so these are the three things for summaries or the any theoretical part. For part B, three sides is compulsory ma, three sides you must and should, you should write it. Okay, as it is a 12 marks or 15 marks in part B, for each question three sides is compulsory. Okay, you should not reduce the answers. Three sides is compulsory, those who want to score good marks in English subject. So like try to write like this, no need to give any strikes, mistakes, anything, nothing. Okay, so till intermediate your correction will be a manual correction, but in degree it's a digital correction. In computer they will, you will get, they will get to your, they will get to know about your answer booklet. Okay, so try to use black pen only. If you use black pen only, the answers will visible more clearly rather than blue color, blue pen. Okay, so that's why I'm saying, because many of the students are asking that whether we use both pens for side headings blacks, for the information blue. No, you should not like that, use like that. My suggestion is use only black pen. Okay, so this is all about the video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. I hope that this video is useful to you all. If you're having any further doubts related to this first semester English or any subject, please comment me in the comment section. Definitely I will try to answer it. And the coming back to the notes PDF, I have uploaded everything in Telegram group. Now all the links are mentioned in description box. If you want to join in a Telegram group, join with the following links. Okay, for further updates, join our WhatsApp group. Two links were given. Join in any one group, any one WhatsApp group. Okay, so I hope that these videos are very much useful to you all. All the very best for your examination and all the very best for your preparation. Rock in your examination. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me anytime. I'm here to help you out. I will try to answer each and every comment in the comment section. Okay, and do comment me in the comment section how you felt about the video. So once again, if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. If you like this means I will get boosting to do the further videos. Okay, so once again, all the very best and thank you so much.